How to log into Google Chat. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Google Chat app on your device. You can easily get this app from the App Store or the Play Store. Once completion of its download process, launch this app. Here we go. Now over here you will see the option of Get Started. Click on it. With that, you're gonna find all the Gmail address that you are using in your device. In order to log into your Google Chat account, you can use any of the Gmail address. All you have to do is toggle on for it. Then click on the option of Done. Click on Get Started, and just with that, you will be logged into your Google Chat account. So this was really simple and quick process. Now you can use your Google Chat. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into Google Chat account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.